What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. We got a few Shiba Inu updates today. First off, we're starting off with some bullish sentiment. The 254th largest Ethereum whale has just purchased $1.4 million worth of Shiba Inu. These whales do not make purchases like this without expecting a return. So if you want to follow smart money, possibly, remember this is purely speculation. This is not financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But when we see whales moving like this, we usually want to follow in the wake of those whales. So let's take a look at the price of Shiba Inu and determine why is this whale wanting to buy $1.5 million worth of Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu at that 1097 level right now, down 2.45%. Absolute steal right now when you think about the prices that people have been buying at all the way up at that 1600 level. So if you get in at this point or add to your bag at this point, let me adjust this for y'all. You're basically getting a very good discount compared to what others have been paying in recent, in the last, let's see, people were just paying 1600, let's say about 2 weeks ago. Well, actually a little longer than 2 weeks ago. That was a month ago, actually today, February 4th, and it's March 4th. So about a month ago, people were paying in that 1600 range. Even if we go out 2 weeks, people were still paying that 1400 range for Shiba Inu. So, people were valuing sheep at these levels. So you don't want to just mistake and think because the price is retracing that, sheep is no longer valuable. This is what happens. This is how smart investors, add to their positions. They wait for the price to pull back. They add at those cheap points, and then they wait for the price to go up, and then they take profit. That's short-term investing, more of speculating, but that's what happens, y'all. So taking a look at this, sheep is trading along that lower Bollinger Band. Now, what these candles tell us that it is some confidence moving to the downside. So it's likely that the price could continue to push down even further. If we try to zoom out and take a look at what future or previous areas we had where we found support around this range or resistance, we can see that it's possibly, we got some resistance right here at this 1061 level. So Shiba Inu might be very close to that pullback point where it begins to turn back around. Let's look at the RSI, the relative strength index, and determine if it's overbought or oversold. So if we look at the RSI, our RSI is currently at a 35, y'all. 35 and below means that the asset is oversold. 70 and above means that the asset is overbought. So right now Shiba Inu is oversold. This is a easy indicator to use to add to your repertoire of technical analysis. When you see it oversold like this, that means it's undervalued, that people aren't appreciating the value that it has. Usually you want to get in at those levels if you're day trading and buy in, and then eventually the price will break back out towards those upper Bollinger Bands. So we might start to find support around that 1060 level, and then eventually start to make our way back towards the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 1271 level. And then if we continue, that 1400 level. But that's all we got for this video. I just want to let y'all know that the whale activity is an indication of what's to come. Whales like to make money. Shiba Inu volume down 45%. It looks very, very bad right now. I mean, not for those who understand what's taking place, but for those who are looking on the short term, they're looking at the daily. It's like, oh, it's not a good day, but it's actually a good day for those who like to make money. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are